Hello, today we are going to do a drawing of kiwi fruit. This fruit has originated from China. It has got its name from a bird which is found in New Zealand. The bird is called kiwi. It has got the name because it appears to look like the kiwi bird. This is one of the healthiest fruit and I hope you all like to eat it. So we'll keep the copy in landscape form, and the first thing that we'll draw is plan the sketch. So we'll just plan the bowl and the kiwi fruits on top of it and around it and the leaves. Then we'll draw the outer sketch of the bowl. We'll draw the curve on the top and curves on the side of the bowl. Please keep the copy straight so that you draw a symmetrical sketch. Then we'll draw the kiwi fruits piece on front of the bowl and also the design in the bowl. Now we'll draw the leaf on top of the bowl. After that, we'll draw the fruit around the leaf on the left, on the top and on the right side. We'll also do the design inside the kiwi fruit. Last step, we'll draw rest of the kiwi fruits. There are 3 more kiwi fruits. We'll draw the leaves on the floor, the shadow and 2 slanting marks on the floor. So this is the end of the sketch. Just do a check, see whether the sketch is symmetrical and all the fruits are placed properly. Now we'll take out the color. And we're going to start from black because we're going to use the technique of smudging. We'll apply black in the fruit wherever you see. In 3 places. You have to be very slow and proper while coloring. Then we smudge the black with dark brown as shown in the image, and we'll apply light green on top portion of the kiwi fruit. We'll smudge the dark brown with brown as shown in the image. We'll apply dark green in the leaves. The brown will get smudged by ochre yellow, leaving white gaps as shown. Then we'll take sap green and make marks on top of light green. There will be sap green DL tick marks on the pieces of kiwi fruit. We'll smudge the ochre yellow with white and apply light green on the leaves. Then we'll apply black on top of the bowl, in the front portion of the bowl and below the kiwi fruit piece also. We'll smudge the black with brown. We'll do this accurately. We have to leave the white gaps accurately. On the left portion, brown will get smudged with vermilion hue or orange, whereas on the right portion, brown will get smudged with peach. Now we'll start with the background. I've seen some of the students spoiling the drawing by doing the background in a hurry. So please be very slow and careful in the background. We'll take dark violet on the top, slanting in direction, smudge it with violet. It should not go inside the fruits. Then the violet will get smudged by rose pink, again slanting in direction, not going inside the fruits and the bowl. You're not supposed to leave extra white gap also, so you be very slow and careful in the background, otherwise all the hard work will be spoiled. Then the rose pink gets smudged by pink, slanting a direction, and pink gets smudged by white. Then last is dark violet shadow below the bowl, below the pieces of kiwi fruit, below the leaves, and on the lines of the floor. This is the final sketch. If you color slowly, you will get it easily. All the best.